Have you decided to start trading indices? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to open and start trading indices on your MT5 app. Let's get started. Right here in my phone, I have my Deriv account and my MT5 app. So if you don't have a Deriv account, just head straight to deriv.com and create a Deriv account. You can download the app from Play Store or App Store and then create an account with them and then follow these steps that I'm sharing with you right now. So let me log into my Deriv account. So here I've opened the browser and currently signed in to make the video faster. So here I'm currently on under Traders Hub. You choose Real, not Demo, choose Real, and then the account that you're going to get is right here. When you click on CFDs, here you will see the list of accounts here. So the account you need to get is this Deriv standard, MT5 standard. That's the account you need to get. That's the account that contains indices and so on. So I've already gotten the account. So if you are just starting, you will see the option like this, maybe to be showing get. So when you click on it, you'll be asked to enter MT5 password, like to create a new trading password that you're going to be using for it. That is the password that you use to log into your MT5 or MT4 app. So that's the password you're going to create. It should be different from the password you used to log into your Deriv. So let's go back. So I've already created the account, so I'll just click on open, and this option here is option to transfer funds from the Deriv account to the trading account. So just click on open, and here you will see the details of the account. So now to log into your MT5 app and start trading, all you have to do is to click on this Trade with MT5 mobile app. If you don't have the MT5 mobile app, look at what they said. Note, if you don't have the app, if you just click here and you'll be taken straight to App Store or Play Store, depending on the smartphone that you are using. So when you click on this MT5 mobile app now, it will open because I already have it installed. So what I have to do now is to input the trading password that I already created when creating the account. So now I will enter my password. MT5. So now I've entered my password, and the next thing you need to do is to save the password so that you will not be signed out or be prompted to enter your password anytime you open the MT5 or MT4 app. So I'll just click on sign in, and then see I've successfully signed in. Here you will see step index, boom index, crash 1000 index, and so on. VIX10, look at the VIX10 and look at the VIX25. So that's all the indices. When you click on this plus icon, you can use this place to search for more and then choose the one you want to trade on and then start trading. So if you have any question concerning this, or you are still finding it difficult to open and start trading indices on your MT5 app, feel free to contact me or drop it in the comment section. I'll be so glad to help you. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your friend. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.